In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. This is a simple way to take your project from GitHub and make it live on the web. First, open your web browser and go to vercel.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click Add New in the upper right corner and select Project. If you haven't connected your GitHub account yet, Vercel will ask you to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to connect your GitHub account. Next, find the Import Git repository section. Here, you'll see your available GitHub repositories. Find the project you want to deploy and click Import. You'll now see your project settings. You can change the project name if you want and review any other configuration options for your project. Once everything looks good, click Deploy. Vercel will now build and deploy your project. Wait a few moments for the deployment to complete. Once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation that your project is live. Click Continue to Dashboard to access your project dashboard and view your deployment. That's how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. Thanks for watching.